My name is Mary Ellen. I'm 85 years old, and I've had quite an adventure the last year and a half. I've always been very active, sports-minded. I had been playing golf a couple of years ago, 18 holes of golf. Last spring, I played 9 holes with my friend, and I thought, I just don't have the stamina. You know, you've got to be honest with yourself. It just went downhill, and it never got any better. I went to my doctor, and he said, you have a murmur. I want you to go see Dr. Flucher. He's the best.
TAVR, also known as transcatheter aortic valve replacement, it's a procedure that is performed in patients that have a very tight aortic valve. There's ways to help these patients, and once you put these valves in, their breathing becomes much better, their tiredness becomes much better, survival is improved, and that's what makes it so rewarding, that you really make a difference in these patients' lives. Some of these patients have surprised us the next day. While walking through the hospital, they already told us that they feel better. Nothing beats that.
Dr. Flucher, he saved my life. I feel better than I've felt in, well, at least 10 years. I play bridge twice a week down there with 8 other gals. I think I'll surprise them when I walk in today. I am feeling wonderful, and I feel like I can continue to do wonderful. So I'm back to me.